Hi everybody and welcome to the 8th Papercraft Society box. Now we are looking today at a very exciting brand here and it's Crafty. So we're all about the ink, the stamping, the stencils, and I'm really excited to get into mine. I've not actually had a peek yet, so this reveal is actually just as much a surprise to me as it is to you. So I cannot wait to get in here and see what's inside. Now, firstly, I absolutely love the outside. I think the design is gorgeous and it is very fitting with what I know already about Crafty's products. So let's have a look inside. Now, first of all, we've got crafting is messy. I am very, very creative. Creativity is messy. I am very, very creative, sorry. And that's from Bev. So that's a lovely little note there. Let's have a look. Now, as always, okay, so we've got our project booklet there. I can see we've got, oh, look, lovely. Lots and lots of projects to be getting on with. Now, I won't go through that too much. That's a bit of a surprise for you. I'm sure there's lots in there to inspire you. I really want to have a read and I'm not going to do it now, but I will do in a little while. But that's there to inspire you, to give you the project to start working with and everything from whatever's in here. So I know there's more under here, but let's have a look through this first. So Be Crafty polymer stamps. So I love the quality of these booklets that we get with every Papercraft Society box. Now there is a lot in here. Wow. So let's have a look. So we've actually got 2 stamp sets by the looks of it. This first one here, birthday wishes. We've got a lot of sentiments on here. Very much a bit of a shabby chic, a vintage style to it. I love the pocket watch here. The postmark lines. We've got some faux stitching along the bottom here as well. A gorgeous bit of vintage lace at the side there. A butterfly, a bumblebee, and then we've got time flies. You are loved beyond measure. You have the key to my heart, of course, with the vintage key. Thinking of you, and all of these like Roman numerals down the bottom as well. They're going to make some fantastic projects. I'm really excited. This is one I think I'm going to be crafting with so much. It's really sort of my style. We've got some stencils here as well. I love the size of this because you don't always get small stencils, do you? I think they're perfect for card making, ATCs, mini albums, just using a little corner. Beautiful flourishes there. And gorgeous pattern. You could use both, I suppose, or you could just use a little part of one if you wanted to. We've got another full stencil here. This is 6x6. We've got some splatters, the clock face, another flourish, some more different sort of ink splats there. This texture too, I love that. That's a bit like a scratch texture. And the butterfly as well. They are gorgeous. So I suppose you could use these with texture paste. It's a really good quality stencil, really good, nice and thick. So you can either ink through those, I guess, or use your texture paste and things like that in there. Okay, these are brilliant. So you've got some sentiments here, and rather than just being on your usual white cardstock, in fact, I'm going to really delve into these and have a look and see what's inside. I love doing this. I really don't know what's in here. So we've got. Okay, so we've got a couple of, they're good quality cardstock. I see. So we've got a couple of sheets of the sentiments there. And it's not your usual white background either. It's got nice sort of craft coloured background to it, that sort of design. It is smooth paper, it looks crumpled. It's like a distressed paper. Beautiful backing papers. Let's see, so we've got, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. I love the colours. I love the design. I love the butterfly, the dragonflies, the script in the background as well. I love everything about that. That is really gorgeous. And you get 2 sheets of that. So that's definitely frame one, keep it really special, put it somewhere safe, and use the other one. And that is beautiful as well. Look at that background. With all the pinks and the distressing and the like the wildflowers in there. That is really gorgeous. As a pattern paper kit, that is stunning. Okay, so let's see next. Looks like we've got some dies here. Yeah, we have some dies. So we've got a dragonfly, we've got the word hello and for you. Brilliant. So generic words we're going to be using all the time. We've got a tag with an extra, I can't think what it's called, that goes around the tag to support it. We've got that vintage key there. So actually, I'm thinking these, yes, So, oh, look at that. The stamp and the die, they coordinate, they match up. How perfect is that? You're going to be using these two together. Perfect. We've got a border here. So this is like a postage stamp border, the edge. But I'm guessing that actually fits over this. So this is like a lace when it's cut out. You've got a circle there, another butterfly, which I'm guessing fits this stamp butterfly in the corner here. Everything works together. Absolutely adore them. I'm so excited to get doing some projects for you with these. And these are these are beautiful. Okay, backgrounds. Let's see. So which way around are we going? This way. So this is a full, looks like it's sort of your postcard size, your 4x6, maybe even stretches to A5. No, A6, sorry, stamp there, clear stamp background with the script in the distressing in there as well. We've got a bumblebee in here. I don't know if you can just see this. We've got a bumblebee. We've got some of those wildflowers, I think they are, in the background there. We've got measuring tape, lots of distressed elements to build up that really sort of grungy look. And do you know what? That's what Crafty are all about, aren't they? When you see their projects, when you see them through Hochanda and things, you know, they are all about the distressed look. Fantastic. I love these. So let me just pop these back in there and have a look in this box. So pop my stencil back in. We've got Create Imperfection. It is good for the soul of your creativity. Guilt is a wasted emotion. Craft whenever you want. And make your own choices in life. Choose craft. Absolutely. Every single time. So there we go. So there's that packet. Now what else is in here? Because I can feel there's other things in here. Oh, okay. So we've got... Oh, let's take these out. We've got some ink pads here, beautiful. And we've got a gorgeous yellow. That looks really juicy, actually. We've got a lovely pink. And we've got a green. They really go well with the colours of those pattern papers that were inside this pack here. So look forward to using those together with those stamps as well. I've never seen this inside a Papercraft Society box before, embossing paste. So I was saying about those stencils, you can absolutely use your embossing paste with that if you want to go through. And oh, look at this. There we go. Look, a palette knife. Perfect. So we're going to be able to, let's just take this out. I've not looked at this yet. Come on out. Yes, palette knife. So we can use it with our embossing paste through those stencils. Absolutely perfect. So they're just going to work so well together. And lastly, what do we have in here? We have, well, it's not lastly, there's something else in there as well. This is jam-packed full, isn't it? We have got some craft cardstock. Again, that's not cardstock I've seen before, but I do use it an awful lot. So that's fantastic to have that in there. We've got the green, the yellow, and the pink cardstock in there. All nice and plain, all smooth, perfect for stamping onto as well. But we have got some advice here. So this is types of stenciling. So talking about adding dimension, adding colour and adding texture. So different ways you can use your stencils and your embossing paste and such. So really talking you through that. So if that's something you've not done before, this is going to be really perfect as a get starting kit for you, just to guide you through. So pop my things back in there. Let's just have a very quick look at the first few pages in here. I don't want to look too much. I want this to be a bit of a surprise for you. So let's have a look. So, well, okay, if I just look at the contents, first of all, you can see in there is a lot of projects in here. So we've got all of these different cards on the front. What's on this page here? Just missed one out. Oh, a hello and a welcome. And you can see the contents of the box there laid out. So this is fantastic. So as we go through, you can see step-by-step projects in there for you. Beautiful, absolutely stunning, all using the contents of the box that you're going to be able to make. Well, I am in love with this box. I cannot wait to be bringing you some videos with some projects from Be Crafty and their Papercraft Society box. So this is box 8. Don't forget, you can get Papercraft Society on subscription. You can pick up this box and you can then subscribe to have them delivered to your door in future. Lots of different brands, lots of different techniques and different products in there, and lots of different product booklets as well for you to get crafting with. So that's all found at papercraftsociety.co.uk.